Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to block someone on Viber. Blocking someone on Viber ensures they can no longer call, message, or see your online status. First of all, open up the Viber application on your smartphone. Once you're in the home page of Viber, go to the chat and open the conversation with the person you want to block. After opening the conversation thread, tap on the person's name at the top and then click on Chat Info Settings. Now, scroll all the way down and look for Block this contact button and tap on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to block the contact. To unblock the contact again, tap on Unblock this contact whenever you want. And that's how you easily block someone on Viber. After you block the contact, they won't be notified, but they will be unable to contact you via Viber. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.